What do you think of when you dream of paradise? What heavenly visions fill your mind? A calming oasis where the world quiets, surrounded by towering mountains, imposing waterfalls, fertile fields, and glistening ocean views as far as the eye can see. Raw and unpolished, peaceful and picturesque, simple and yet stunning. Now, what if you discovered that this dream, this fantasy of your wildest imaginings, truly exists? Nine pieces of paradise, each with its own unique and enchanting traits and untouched cultures and landscapes. Nature and man existing in harmony, and the timeless space of history harkens around every corner. Discovering beauty you only dreamed existed in fairy tales. Step out of your comfort zone. Enjoy the authenticity. Taste the unknown, while the Azores reveals its secrets.